Hello viewers, you are going to learn how to send money using Lemfi. So let's get started. To make a transfer with the Lemfi app, start by opening the application and selecting the send option. Then choose the currency you want to send, such as USD, GBP or CAD, and then pick the currency your recipient will receive. Now enter the recipient information. This may be a bank account or mobile wallet depending on the destination country. Next, add funds to your Levy wallet using the method available in your region. For United States, you can top up via auto deposit, and if you're looking in United Kingdom, you can use open banking services like TrueLayer or Junction. If you are from Canada, you can add money using Interac transfer or auto deposit. But before sending, double check the exchange rate, fee, and the total amount to be transferred. When everything looks correct, tap send to finalize the transaction, and now you are all done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.